Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to talk about the best tips to fix iOS 17 battery drain on iPhone and iPad. As compared to iOS 16, iOS 17 is touted to be lighter, snappier, and better optimized. While there is no doubt that the latest iteration of iOS seems to be a step in the right direction, thanks to a good many notable features, it's already embroiled in some persistent issues such as the rapid battery drain problem. However, there is no need to worry about it because I have found out some workable tips to fix the problem. That said, let's get started. First off, I would recommend you to update all the apps on your iPhone. Outdated apps have the habit of eating more battery than usual. If there is a bunch of apps that haven't been updated for a while, they might be the reason behind the rapid battery consumption on your iPhone after the iOS 17 software update. To do so, open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Now tap on the profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down to view the list of apps that need to be updated. Now you can choose to update all the apps at once or do it one app at a time. Then I would suggest you to choose 5G Auto. In order to strike a perfect balance between data usage and battery life, your iPhone uses 5G only when needed for better performance. So ensure that 5G Auto is selected in Cellular Data Options setting on your iPhone. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now select Cellular. Then tap on Cellular Data Options. Then tap on Voice and Data and choose 5G Auto. Next up, I would suggest you to hard reset your iPhone. In terms of effectiveness, especially when dealing with persistent issues, the hard reset has long been a highly effective solution, so it deserves to be given a try. To do so, simply press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Then you have to hold down the side button or the top button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Next up, I would recommend you to enable the low power mode. Low power mode comes into action whenever the battery of your iPhone goes below 20%. When it is activated, background activities are automatically reduced or paused, which helps increase the battery life. To bring into action, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on Battery. Then turn on the toggle next to Low Power Mode. Then I would suggest you to delete all the useless apps. If there are apps that you hardly use on your iPhone, delete them all. These useless apps not just eat into plenty of storage unnecessarily but also drain battery. Therefore, wipe them out. Simply touch and hold onto an app icon and then choose Remove App in the menu. After that, tap on Delete App and then confirm the action. You can repeat these same steps to get rid of more useless apps. Next up, I would suggest you to turn on location services on your iPhone. Continuous location tracking drains a lot of battery, therefore make sure to use this power-hungry feature smartly. Navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Then tap on Location Services. Now you can choose to either completely disable this feature or customize apps to use location only while being used. Next up, I would suggest you to disable Background App Refresh on your iPhone or iPad. Background App Refresh is equally responsible for fast battery consumption, hence either completely turn it off or allow only a few apps to refresh in the background. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now tap on General. Then tap on Background App Refresh. Now you can completely turn it off or allow only selected apps to refresh in the background. Next up, I would suggest you to turn off Automatic Software Update. For folks who love to be on the bleeding edge of technology, the Automatic Software Update is a boon. However, it could be the prime cause of battery drain in some situations. Therefore, turn it off. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. Then tap on Automatic Updates. Under the Automatically Install and Download sections, Turn off the toggles for iOS updates. Next up, it's time to go for the software update. Knowing the fact that software bugs are always the prime suspects, go for the software update. Through frequent updates, Apple keeps eliminating bugs and enhancing the overall performance of the device. Therefore, it's always recommended to keep the device updated to the latest version of iOS or iPadOS. To get it, and open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. Then download and install the latest iteration of iOS or iPadOS as usual. And finally, I would recommend you to go for the factory reset. When it comes to resolving battery drain problem, you can count on the factory reset solution to rescue you more often than not. But before giving it a try, be sure to know that it will wipe out all the custom settings from your iPhone and iPad and put them back in their original state, though all your media and data will remain secure. To get it, and open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now tap on General. Then scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone or iPad. Now tap on Reset. Then tap on Reset All Settings and confirm the action. And that's pretty much it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix the battery drain problem on iPhone and iPad. Hopefully you have gotten the better of the issue. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and happy. Bye-bye.